You mentioned something earlier, yung gusto niya yung may anghang. So may sili, you know? Usually siling labuyo 'yan eh. Um did you enjoy it when you know when your brother used to cook those spicy adobo dishes?
Yes, of course. Ano ako eh,
Yeah.
mahilig din ako sa spicy food. So,
Until now?
until now, yes. Pero yung hindi
Good.
naman ano hindi kasi may mga may mga dishes or mga pagkain na yung parang, ayaw na magpakain sa sobrang anghang. Like, I don't understand. Well, may mga tao siguro na they still enjoyed it.
No, yeah.
But
Yeah, yeah.
I
One of which is my wife. She likes eating like spicy food na parang wala nang bukas, parang ganon. Oo. When I was younger, I enjoy eating spicy food. I didn't mind.
yeah.
But now, for some reason, my palate changed, and mas nai-enjoy ko yung hindi spicy because I want to savor the flavor more
Yeah.
than the kick of the spiciness, you
Mm.
know? Um, yeah. Kaya bumaba na yung tolerance ko sa anghang. Hindi sa hindi ko kaya, pero hindi ko nai-enjoy eh.
Hindi mo
Eh
na may enjoy eh.
to me, food is about enjoyment.
Yes.
And for some people, the higher the spice level is, the more enjoyable it is for them. And I have nothing against it. You know?
Tito's Talk.